Hi, today we are going to see about hyperlinks and action buttons in PowerPoint. This is a very useful method. Let us see how you can create hyperlinks and action button in PowerPoint. The ultimate educational channel, Educrawl. Hyperlink. Hyperlinks in PowerPoint are similar to links you might have seen on a website. They allow you to jump back and forth between specific slides in your presentation, to move files that don't work on PowerPoint slides to other files or to a web page. The keyboard shortcut for hyperlink is Ctrl plus K. Ctrl plus K. Now let us see how to create hyperlinks in slides. So this will be very useful. If you create hyperlinks in slide, it will help you to navigate easily between slides. Okay, let us see how to do it. First go to insert, click shape. Okay, I am inserting a shape. Okay, now I am going to insert a hyperlink. Click hyperlink. After clicking hyperlink, click bookmark. In the bookmark, you can select which slide you want to go. Suppose I want to go to the 106 slide. So I am click this and click OK and pressing this. So if I press F5, first slide is coming, followed by the second slide. Now in this slide, I am going to get this button. Okay, if I click this, it will go to the 106 slide. Okay, it will go to the last slide. Now let me insert another shape, a circle I am inserting. Now I am going to insert action button. Okay, there is a button called action button. You will see here. If I click action button, if you do mouse click, hyperlink to the next slide, or you can choose any slide. Okay, you can see. Suppose if you want to go to the last slide, it will directly go to the last slide. It can go to the previous slide, or it can go to end show or custom show. Okay, if you have a custom show, you can select that show and you can click that. So here I am clicking next slide. Put to insert slide number. Slide number I am applying to all slides so that we can see how it moves. If I click this slide, the action button, it should go to the first slide. Okay, I am giving a hyperlink to the first slide. I am clicking OK. Now if I press F, I am pressing Shift F5. So the shortcut for displaying the current slide is Shift plus F5. If I click here, it will go to the first slide. Say it is going to the first slide, slide number 1. Okay, this is how you can navigate between all the slides. So this action button is very much useful. Now let us create a bundle of action buttons which will work in different ways. So I am going to create a square. I am going to insert a circle. I am going to insert a circle. I am going to insert a triangle. I am going to insert an arrow mark. I am going to insert another shape plus symbol I am inserting. So let us do different action for this button. So click here. Suppose I want to open Tally. I want to open Tally by clicking this button. So I am clicking Tally. Okay, so the text is there. I am increasing the text size. So it is Tally. If I click this, I want to open Notepad. Okay, I will open Notepad. So if I click this button, it is going to open the Notepad. How we are going to do? If I click this, it will open the calculator. calculator. Click this, it is going to open Excel. If I click, this is going to open MS Word. MS Word. Click this, the action button is there. Now, last method we used mouse click. You can use also mouse over. If you click mouse over, you have to run which program. You can select the program, drive, tally.exe. So the program is tally.exe and click OK. So if I am going to press Shift F5, if I click this, automatically Tally will open. On mouse over, automatically it is opening. Now let us quit and we will come back. So on mouse over we have written. Let us see how to open Notepad. So insert action, choose a program, C:. You can see here the notepad.exe is there. You click this and click OK. So C: Windows notepad.exe. So that notepad will be opening. So let us see, for this program I am going to click Excel action button, browse in Microsoft Office 16 excel.exe. So you can see the program files on mouse over, browse. I am going to click excel.exe. OK. This button I am also going to do another action. On mouse over, choose a program. What is the program I am going to open is winword.exe. So that exe file I am going to open. On action, mouse over, run a program, browse for, in C drive, browse for calc.exe. Press CALC, it will be opening the calculator. Let me show that. Here if I press calc, you can see the calculator app is there. So you can use Windows key and R for run. And if I press calc, automatically the calculator app will be opening. App is calc.exe. So that option you can do it. You can see the calc.exe file is here. Click OK. OK. So suppose if I press Shift plus F5 and if I click on mouse over, you can see here it is asking enable. Enable this. It is opening Excel. Okay. Enable. So it is opening the calculator. On mouse over MS Word, let us see how it works. Notepad, I am clicking. It is open Notepad. On mouse over, Tally is opening. Now let us see. I am going to insert another shape. Let me insert a triangle here. In this I am going to insert an action button, hyperlink to end show. So if I am going to click this button, it will directly go to the end show. So what I am going to do, I am going to press Shift F5. I am going to press Shift plus F5. If I click this button, it will end the show. Okay, insert a shape here. So I am going to rename this as HR. I am going to insert another shape. Let me insert another shape. Let me insert and rename this as marketing. So I have created two shapes. One is HR and another one is marketing. So now I am going to insert one action button here. Click action. Okay, hyperlink to, click custom show. Okay, If there is any custom show, you select that custom show and click OK. So let us see whether custom shows are available for this. For that we have to see the slideshow. Okay, custom shows, click custom shows. I think there is no custom shows. Let me create a new custom show. So I will select some slides for HR custom show. Certain slides will select for HR. I am going to rename this as HR add. So I have created a custom show for HR. I am going to create a custom show for marketing also. So let me create a custom show for marketing with some 10 slides. I'm going to add this. I'm going to create this custom show name as marketing. So I have created two custom shows. Now what we can do, click HR, insert, action, hyperlink to custom show. For HR you click HR, show and return, click OK. So for marketing, once again I am going to do insert an action button, hyperlink to custom show, click marketing, click show and return and click OK. So now everything looks fine. Now what I am going to do, I am going to do the slideshow. If I click HR, the HR custom show will be there. Okay, you can see here. Once again, after all the slides of HR custom show is finished, it will come back to this slide. That is why I have checked that button. Okay, now I am going to click marketing. The marketing slides which I have selected is displayed. You can see here the slides are displayed. Once everything is over, it will come back to this slide. So that is how to create action button for custom show. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel EduCrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives.